Hello to everyone, it's Fabien the Frenchy. Hope you are well. Today I will show you a purchase from a French seller. I bought from him some quite vintage football card. It's all about football. Let's go. Just in the background, you can see a green carpet. It's a pitch carpet about a soccer table soccer game. Subuteo. I don't know if you know this game, but it's quite funny or that it's an old carpet I don't use for playing with. Let's go. First card, it's about team. Okay, we see Head Flanagan. Nice. This is Mike Thomas. The oil is for the Charger. Sorry, I don't say the name of the team. Louis Kelcher. Ray Westing. Mike Fuller, Dan Foot, great. Maybe a day we'll try a TTM request about this great player. Lyndon Mitchell, Gary Garrison, Russ Washington, Chris Fletcher. I love this card. Dennis Party, Pat Curran, Rolf Bernichker, I think so, it's also like this. Mike Fuller again. Chuck Muncy, I think he was a good player. Louis Kelcher, Jeff West, and John Jefferson. And for the Charger, we have two horizontal cards, Earl Cooper and Kellen Winslow. Okay, it's the Charger on the 49ers, and Al Baker and Gary Johnson. Very happy with this. Next team, it's about some Buccaneers. Larry Ellie, John Ward. Some card is some tops 1976. Must to be the inaugural season of the Seahawks, and maybe you can see there is, I don't think it's the Seahawks jersey on the player. Larry Ball, Ira Gordon. Oh, this jersey must to be the Oiler jersey. Howard Fest, Council Rudolph is also a Oiler jersey. Harold Hart, Durwood Keaton, okay. Mike Current. All this we have 4 players. Ricky Bell for the rushing, Gordon Jones about receiving, Mike Washington for the interception, and the quarterback sack, Leroy Selmons, Jim Obradovich, Dewey Selmon, Steve Wilson, Mark Cotney, Kevin House, Richard Wood, Jerry Eckwood, Tom Blanchard. Oh, I love this card. Even they haven't got the NFL license, there is not logo on the helmet, but I love this card. Gordon Jones and Dewey Selmons, great. Next team, it's a Baltimore Colt, Lloyd Munford, Quick Vols, Glenn Doughty, Marty Domres, John Dutton, Mike Barnes, Tom McLeod, Stan White, Glenn Doughty again, Bruce Lair, Steve McMayer, and Joe Washington. Great. Next team, I will take this, is about the Cardinal Firstly, this team was at Chicago, then they moved to Phoenix, Arizona. It must to be. Oh no, sorry. Oh, there is Saint Louis. Okay, they moved maybe firstly to Saint Louis. Okay. Roger Finney, Jeff West, Earl Thomas, Ike Harris, Roger Worley, Jackie Smith, Larry Stelling, Ron Yankorski, Mel Gray, Jim Otis, Jim Bacon, Steve Little, Neil Donoghue, Ken Green, Rush Brown, Bob Young, Otis Anderson, Pat Tiley, Wayne Morris, Tom Brahani, Roger Worley, and Mike Dawson. Very nice. Next team, there is 3 remaining team. On the last team must to be some cards in the 60. That for the Brown, Cleveland Brown, Ron Bolton, Ricky Fisher, Jerry Jerk, Reggie Walker, Joe Delamieler. In French, we can say Joe Delamieler. Okay. Clarence Scott, Johnny Evans, Charlie Halls, Doug Deacon, Tom Darden. It's a multi 4-player. I will let you read the 4-player. Gerald Iron, Mike Prout, great. Mark Miller, Reggie Walker, Mike Prout again, Don Cockcroft, Charlie Hall, Walter Johnson, Tom DeLeone, Van Green, Jerry Cherk, Hugh McGuinness, Reggie Walker, and Bob Babish. Nice. The 2 remaining team, this is the Bills, the Buffalo Bills, Mark Batevan, Joe Delamelier, Dwight Harrison, Earl Edward, Mike Montler, Bob Chandler, John Leopold, Reggie Mackenzie, Walt Patluski, Pat Toomey, J.D. Hills. Another stack about the Bills, Jim Braxton, Paul Seymour, Tony Green, Chairman White, Conran Dobler, Jim Hassett. Oh, I remember. I think he was the New Orleans Saints head coach. Curtis Brown again. Joe Delamieler, Frank Lewis, Joe Greed. 4-player. I will let you read the 4-player. Louis Picon, nice. And now I will show you this set. It's about the Minnesota Vikings on the tops 1963. I love this card, and this card must to be the more rare about my purchase, I think. Jerry Reshaw, Ed Sharrockman, Jerry Hughes, Frank Yuso. I love this card. Hawkins from the Vikings, Jim Prestel, Tommy Mason, and I think the most rare card I think about my purchase, this is this card. It's a Jim Marshall He was a very good player and he's a Hall of Fame player. He also play about the brand. He also play in the CFL in Canadian League. Okay, I will show you this card, Jim Marshall. Thank you for watching. I wish you the best. Bye bye.